went through.
All right, Ingrid.
That's all.
Tell me, how's the trip going so far?
Motherfucker, I want to kick your ass.
Why, Ingrid? Why? Let's see what Ingrid's afraid of. Let's see. Hey, Eric, show me what she's afraid of. Can you show me the sign?
She's afraid of this sign.
What does that sign say? I can't read it. Hold on. Huh? Oh, is that what's scaring you, Ingrid? Is that what's scaring?
How do you take green as good?
How you like the ski trip so far, Ingrid?
I love it.
Are those tears I see, Ingrid?
No.
I don't know. I think I see a tear.
No, I'm not crying. I wasn't crying. I was laughing.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So much that what happened?
But I didn't want to kick your ass. You were crying too.
I was crying?
Yeah?
Oh, you're right. Where do we come down? Let's see.
Let's see.
There.
Point it all over there.
Ah, no, it's too small.
I'm good. See? I'm a big girl. I can handle this.
Your eyes are kind of red.
Yeah. They look red. I was cracking up.
So how'd you do on the way up, bro?
She was like so ready for this. She was telling me how she's ready to take this on. It just I think the cold got to her eyes.
Oh,
and that's
it dried up her eyes. Let me see. All right, let me see your eyes. Then I got some Visine if you want.
I'm gonna kick your
Let
ass.
me see your eyes.
by the way, she said she'll kill me if I didn't say that.
What?
She said she'll kill me if I didn't say that.
Oh.
I'll throw you down that one.
Oh, Dios mío.